Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in our vehicle-specific gauge packages. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our single gauge package for the 2005 to 2013 C6 Chevrolet Corvette. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm dual digital wideband air-fuel ratio gauge featuring a black face with a clear lens and a color change button on the front. Also included in the package, two 10-foot sensor harnesses, two wideband oxygen sensors, two wideband control boxes, two 3-foot data logging output wires, a 7-foot gauge sensor harness, a 5-foot power harness, two mild steel weld-in bungs, two stainless steel weld-in bungs, two bung plugs, a mounting bracket and hardware, a single gauge dashboard pod, sensor labels, a gauge visor for sun glare, and full color installation instructions. All of our products come with lifetime technical support, so if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website or message us on any of our social media channels.